Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we'll be looking at the quality of the cameras on the back.
Okay, and here we have some photos from the camera in standard resolution. I'm holding the camera in the same place but using the optical and digital zoom at the moment. So we can just see how close it will get with just changing the focus. Now we're looking at some of the high res settings of the camera, doing exactly the same process of just zooming in using the settings rather than moving where I'm actually standing. And now we can look at the selfie camera. Just a quick test of the camera. It allows us to zoom in whilst recording as well, which is nice. I'll go for a walk to see how good the image stabilization is. Jumping up and down. Wow, considering I'm actually jumping fairly high, that was actually not too bad. Okay, down a flight of steps. Running. Okay, this time I'll do a video pass in 4K. And again, 4K. I don't think the stabilization is so good when it's 4K. And here we can see the quality of the slow motion video capture. I think this looks absolutely amazing for a function built into a mobile phone. This is brilliant. This clip is recorded at 1080p at 60 frames per second. This clip is recorded at 4K at 30 frames per second.
We've had a quick look at the quality of the videos, and we've also got some playback features as well, which may be available on older phones but certainly is on the new Oppo, whereas when you can see a video playing in full screen, you can actually pinch and zoom in to make the image larger, but then of course you see the notch or the droplet for the camera cutout, which is why by default it's like that to try and hide that. But it's a lovely screen, really nice and clear. Oh, you can even zoom in more to the video as well if you want to. So it's a lovely phone, really found it intuitive, easy to use, fast and responsive, beautiful clear screen. It's a lovely phone all around, really do appreciate using it. One thing I found I missed from the OnePlus is the volume mute switch and silence mode switch. That was a lovely feature of the OnePlus. I wish all phones had that. It seems to be a sensible feature to put in. Again, it's missing the headphone socket, but we have got some Bluetooth headphones for it now, and they're good, but the ones it comes with for the USB-C connection work very well. I tried them in my laptop with the USB-C connector, and the laptop just saw them straight away and immediately worked, which was very nice. So all round, I think the Oppo Find X2 Neo is an excellent phone. Good value for money, all round brilliant phone, well worth it. To be honest with you, I wish I got myself one as well. I'm kind of jealous of my wife now. But I've now got her old OnePlus, she's got this, so everyone's happy. Well, that's it for now. Take care. I do hope you liked the video. If so, please give it a good thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. If you want one for yourself, there is a link for it down in the description below. But bye for now. Take care.